Royal plane, the Douglas Dakota, taxis onto Long Kesh Aerodrome near Belfast, bringing the King and Queen and Princess Elizabeth on a visit to Ulster, part of the Royal Victory Tour undertaken since VE Day. This was Princess Elizabeth's first journey by plane. Highlights of the Royal Tour included a visit to the Ulster Houses of Parliament at Stormont, where members later gathered to hear the King's address. Disabled soldiers and men of the British Legion paraded to greet their Majesties. The visit to Parliament buildings gave Princess Elizabeth her first experience of any Parliament, though technically she took no part in the proceedings. A garden party attended by 5,000 war workers at Belfast's Botanic Gardens gave a sincere expression of Ulster's loyalty. Aboard the patrol yacht Heniesta, the royal visitors sailed to Londonderry. During the trip, they passed some of the 62 surrendered German U-boats anchored in the River Foyle. At Prince's Quay, crowds welcomed the royal party. In 1924, the King and Queen, then Duke and Duchess of York, received the freedom of Londonderry. American sailors lined the roads at Guildhall Square, where the King reviewed a march past of servicemen of this war and the last. Ulster acclaimed their Majesties in traditional style and made this two-day tour an occasion to remember.